Hi there, this is Christopher Panaretos, author of the Languages book series on Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing the Lao language. Um, so this information is coming from my Learn Lao book, Learn Lao for Beginners. And let's jump right into it. So we've got, first of all, for the Lao language, the thing to know is that it has its own alphabet. There's, I believe, about 40 to 50 characters. And then the vowels are marks that can be either above, below, in front, or behind the consonants. So that takes a little bit of getting used to, but it is completely different from English. So before you learn Lao, you're going to have to take a look at the alphabet if you want to learn how to read and write. In terms of pronunciation, Lao is a tonal language, so it's not just the word itself, but it's also how you say the word, which gives meaning. Let's jump down to the Lao personal pronoun. So the Lao personal pronoun has two characteristics. It's got perspective and it's got count. Perspective, of course, is going to be first, second, or third person, and count is going to be singular or plural. In terms of things, Lao things don't have any characteristics, and basically that means that there's no spelling change for things in Lao. Which makes it easier. As far as articles, meaning the definite and the indefinite article, Lao actually does not use the does not use the definite article, and also does not use the indefinite article. So that means that there's no literal translation of the words the or a and from English. So it does simplify things. It also makes it so that there's maybe multiple translations possible for Lao sentences, and you're going to have to rely on context more. Also in Lao, there's a class of descriptors called classifiers, which simply do not exist in English. Classifiers are kind of like adjectives. They give more information about a particular target thing, but that information is basically kind of telling what sort of abstract category that thing belongs to. For example, like a pencil, is like a specific object, but the classifier word would be a classifier that's specific for long, thin, cylindrical objects. Um, it's a different type of word that simply doesn't exist in English, but it's common in Lao to see those, so it just takes a little bit of getting used to. In terms of descriptors, regular descriptors like adjectives, they do not change spelling to match their target thing. And then finally, we have verbs. So Lao verbs have three characteristics. They've got mood, tense, and aspect. Mood is going to be indicative, subjunctive, or imperative. Tense, of course, is going to be past, present, or future. And the aspect will be either imperfect or perfect. So that's it for the summary of Lao grammar. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.